Today we are going to replace the air filter on my wife's 2011 Toyota Avanza with 1.5 litre engine. This air filter is really convenient to replace because it's right on top of the engine and there's no tools required. The first step should actually be to clean the air filter box first, so you won't have dirty hands when handling the new filter. Then you can proceed to undo these 5 clips and just remove the air filter box cover. Put it somewhere clean so it doesn't get dirty, especially on the inside. Now you can see the old air filter, and this is how the system works. The engine will draw in dirty air from the front. The air will pass through the filter from the underside, and this will remove any dirt and sand. The air will go up and back down through the throttle body. This opens up when you step on the accelerator pedal, and from there air will be allowed to enter the air intake manifold and into your engine. And here is our new filter. This is a part number if you need to buy this. I'll also leave a link in the description where you can buy this. After you remove the filter from the box, make sure you place it on a clean surface, because that's the whole reason we are replacing the filter, so that we can have a brand new clean filter. Now you can remove the old filter, compare it visually, make sure it's the same size as your new filter, same shape, and you can see how dirty this old filter is. So when the filter gets dirty, less air will pass through it and less air will get into your engine, and so you get less power. So you notice for this 1.5 litre engine, there's a section here with no filter, but there's a notch at the top. So you make sure that you line up the notch with the inside part of the engine before you place the filter in. Make sure the filter is sitting snugly, it's not poking out from any side. And with the air filter box cover, you just need to slot those 2 notches back in the correct position. Slot them in before you press it flat, and now you can just clip the 5 clips back on. So you have to make sure it's sitting flat, otherwise you might be the filter will not sit properly and air might actually pass straight into your engine without passing through the filter. And that's it, we're done. So now we can do a quick test of the engine.